Hello everyone, this is your boy Ilya from Hansshow, and today we are going to install the best swivel mount for my Tesla Model 3 Highland, but that can also be fitted on the Model Y. So huge thank you to Hansshow for sending me the product for free, and let's get started. You can find the swiveling mount kit I received from Hansshow on their website. If you want the same one, check out the link in the description. They also offer kits for the Model Y and older Model 3 versions, but today we're focusing on the Model 3 Highland. And don't forget to use my code HY13 for 23% off. First, let's start with the unboxing. As you can see, the package is cleanly wrapped. Inside, the box is in perfect condition, so the delivery went smoothly. Opening it up, we have a warranty slip included and neatly packed the tools, screws and all the replacement components for the rotating mount. The materials feel solid and well made, nothing fragile, so I'm impressed with the quality so far. Now, let's head to the car and start the installation. We begin by removing the small cover beneath the screen. Once that's off, we disconnect the temperature sensor plug. Next, we use the tool provided in the kit to unscrew the two bolts securing the screen. Once those are removed, we switch the screen to cleaning mode to avoid accidentally touching and activating anything. Then we gently pull the screen out, shaking it a bit side to side to make it easier to remove. With the screen out, we use another tool from the kit to unscrew the cover behind the screen. Again, there are two screws on either side. Once removed, we can unplug the two connectors from the back of the screen. The black plug comes out easily, but I struggle a bit with the purple one. It was honestly the hardest part of the entire process. That's it. The overall installation isn't too complicated. Now that the screen is free, we grab the replacement parts from the kit. First, we attach the pivoting mechanism to the screen mount using the original screws. Next, we secure the small cover behind the screen with the original screws as well. After that, we take another cover from the kit, pass the wires through it, and screw it into place using the included screwdriver. With everything secured, we reconnect the plugs to the back of the screen, starting with the black one, then the purple one. Finally, we put the screen back in place. Underneath the screen, we tighten the last two screws provided in the kit. Thanks to the pivoting feature, you can angle the screen upward, making this step much easier. For the final step, we remove the temperature sensor from its original large casing. It's held in place by two screws. We then transfer it to the new cover provided in the kit, reconnect the sensor and slide it back under the screen. It clicks into place effortlessly. And there we have it. The screen now pivots smoothly in all directions. The new position feels fantastic. It's a bit closer to the driver and much easier to interact with from the armrest. When angled toward the driver, the speedometer is closer and more legible, sitting directly in your line of sight. I wasn't expecting much from this kit initially and didn't think I'd keep it, but after using it, I'm sold. It's way more practical than the original fixed position. Plus, since the screen sits slightly lower, it improves visibility over the front of the car. Overall, this kit has exceeded my expectations and I highly recommend it. That's it for today's video. If you're considering getting this kit, I've left a link in the description. And if you're thinking of buying a Tesla, don't forget to use my referral link to save $1,000 on your purchase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more awesome Tesla content. See you next time.